Where? Okay, where? He's right there. Where do we go? No, I think, where do we go? Okay, hurry, he's gone, hurry. He's right there in front of me. Where do I go? Okay, come on, where do we go? Hurry. He's right there where you are. God damn it, he's being a little punk and camping there. God damn it, pisses me off. He's camping. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Is that where we're supposed to go? He's gone. Hurry! Tell me where to go. Where is it? Ah! Oops. Hurry! Oh, nigger! You suck dick! Oh my God, you suck dick.